Hey, Maria. You look like you're trying to solve the world's most difficult puzzle. What's up?
Oh, hi, David. It's this English grammar app. I feel like I've been studying for months, but I'm not getting any better. It's so frustrating. I've hit a wall.
Ah, the famous intermediate plateau. I know that feeling very well. You feel like you're working hard, but your progress just stops.
Exactly. My reading is okay, and I can understand most of what I hear. But when I try to speak, the words just disappear. My mind goes completely blank.
I totally get it. I think the problem is that you're trying to study English too much and not use it enough.
What do you mean? Aren't they the same thing?
Not really. Studying is when you're memorizing grammar rules and vocabulary lists. Using it is when you're actually communicating. For example, what did you do this morning?
I went to the market and then I meet my sister? No, I met my sister for lunch. See, I can't even get the past tense right.
Don't worry about that. Making mistakes is part of the process. The important thing is you're trying. The real key for me was to make English a part of my daily life, not just a subject I studied for an hour a day.
So what did you do? Give me some ideas.
Okay, for listening, I stopped doing boring listening exercises. Instead, I started watching TV series on Netflix, first with my own language subtitles, then with English subtitles, and finally with no subtitles at all. It was way more fun, and I learned so much natural slang and pronunciation.
That does sound better than the app. What about speaking? That's my biggest fear.
For speaking, you have to be brave. I found a language exchange partner online. We would talk on Zoom for 30 minutes in English and 30 minutes in my native language each week. It was scary at first, but it forced me to speak, even when I made mistakes.
A language partner? That's a good idea. I'm just worried I'll sound stupid.
Everyone feels that way. But the goal isn't to be perfect, it's to communicate. Another small trick? Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. Okay, now I am pouring coffee into my cup. This coffee smells really good. It sounds silly, but it builds fluency without the pressure.
I might actually try that. And for vocabulary, I feel like I learn a new word and forget it the next day.
Stop memorizing single words. Learn them in phrases. So instead of just learning the word commute, learn the whole phrase, I have a long commute to work. Write the full sentence down. It's much easier to remember and use later.
Wow, these are really practical tips. So, less formal studying and more living in English?
Exactly. Change your phone's language to English. Follow some English-speaking creators on Instagram or YouTube about your hobbies, whether it's cooking, video games, or fashion. Immerse yourself. The goal is to make it so you don't even feel like you're studying.
Thank you so much, David. I feel much more motivated now. I'm going to find a good series to watch tonight.
You've got this, Maria. Just be patient with yourself and make it fun. Progress will come when you're not looking for it. Now, how about we order? We can even do it in English to practice.
Okay, deal. You go first.